Heffalumps and woozles, heffalumps and woozles, little honey, beware.
They're black, they're brown, they're up,
They're down.
they're in, they're out, they're all about, they're far, they're near, they're good, they're here, they're quick and slick, they're insincere.
Beware, beware, be a very wary bear. A heffalump or woozle is very confusal. A heffalump or woozle's very sly. They comes in buns and toozles, but if they so choozles, before your eyes you'll see them multiply. They're extraordinary, so better be wary, because they come in every shape and size. If money's what you covet, you'll find that they love it, because they guzzle up the thing you prize.
They're green, they're blue, they're pink, they're white, they're round, they're square, they're a terrible sight.
They tie themselves in horrible knots.
They come in stripes.
Beware, beware, be a very wary bear. They're extraordinary, so better be wary, because they come in every shape and size. If money's what you covet, you'll find that they love it, because they guzzle up the thing you prize. Beware, beware, be a very wary bear. They're extraordinary, so better be wary, because they come in every shape and size. If money's what you covet, you'll find that they love it, because they guzzle up the things you prize.
They're black, they're brown, they're up,
They're down.
they're in, they're out, they're all about, they're far, they're near, they're good, they're here, they're quick and slick, they're insincere.
Beware, 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 beware.
Is it raining in there? It's raining out here too.